We're here today in the 46805 neighborhood. Welcome to the virtual open house of 1215 Pemberton Drive, where we're going to give you an in-depth look at this property. So let's go on and check it out. So this is a 3-bed, 2-bath traditional home for the neighborhood. And one of the things I love before you even get inside is this covered front porch area. In these older neighborhoods, it's a very walkable streets. Everyone's got sidewalks in front of their house. So a lot of the neighbors like to walk by, say hi. And a lot of times people hang out on their front porch more than their back porch. But now let's check it out on the inside. You come right in here, we've got the living room, ceiling fan with light fixtures, and one of the really key updates to this home is that all of the windows have been replaced with vinyl windows. So this age of a home, an older home, the windows might be old and original, painted over, and you might not even be able to open them. But with the vinyl replacement windows, you know they're all gonna operate, you're gonna have good safety. You're also gonna be able to utilize that natural airflow just by opening up the windows in the spring and the fall. So in here, you've just got a formal dining room that leads us right into the kitchen. And here we are in the kitchen. We've got this really nice oversized 5-burner range. The cabinetry is still original, but painted white. And then the countertops are updated quartz countertops. So you'll notice all the appliances are stainless steel and are gonna stay with the property as well. So all the bedrooms now are upstairs, so follow me along and we'll check those out. So here we are in the landing. You've got 3 bedrooms. We'll start in the largest of the bedrooms, which would be your primary suite. Although it does not have an attached bathroom with it, this is the largest of the bedrooms. So you actually have a really wide vacant wall here that would fit a king-size bed really well. And you also have right behind you here the closet space as well too. Closet space is always a little bit of a premium in these older homes, but not bad space in there. Now follow me to our spare 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. Again, nice features in these bedrooms is that there's already overhead lighting in here. And then again, you've got a double-doored closet space here as well. Same thing with the 3rd bedroom. Again, you have overhead lighting, the vinyl windows, and these are everywhere throughout the house, and a double-door closet too. Now, all 3 of these bedrooms are going to share 1 bathroom up here. So follow me in here. We've got a good-sized vanity with counter space to each side of the sink, good storage, and a tile tub shower. So all is pretty updated, pretty turnkey in here, very clean as well. So not a lot you need to do in this space. But surprise, surprise, follow me down to the basement where we have an additional finished living room and another full bathroom down there as well. This is actually our access to the driveway and the backyard area, but we will finish out there and we'll check out the basement next. Now you walk down the steps into this unfinished kind of storage space area that houses your utilities, but then we do have an additional finished living space here. This space could be used as a bedroom, although it's not technically officially considered a bedroom because that window is not low enough to be accessible, or another living space you could use it for. But it does have a closet, it does have heating and cooling vents down here, so it stays with an even temperature with the rest of the house. This full bathroom area in the basement is where your laundry is housed, your sump pump is housed, and the home has also had a radon mitigation system done. So the radon levels are below the acceptable levels, which is good, meaning the house is safe to live in. But it's got a full shower, full toilet, sink, everything you need in a full bathroom down here, as well as your laundry hookups. All right, we're gonna finish outside here in the backyard. Your access point actually comes out to the driveway, but then you have this nice privacy fence that you can walk in, you can shut the gate, you can keep kids and pets safe back here. But you have this nice patio area, really nicely landscaped, very private, and a good grassy area to play in as well. And so let's finish up with some of the most common questions I get when people tour a new property. And that is, how old is the roof? How old are the mechanicals? Things like that. And so we don't have exact ages, because when we bought this house in 2019, we didn't have those from the previous seller. But the roof is a 30-year dimensional shingle. At the time of our inspection in 2019, it had plenty of life left on it. And then the seller also listed those units as newer HVAC units back in 2019. So whatever newer might mean to you, I don't know, but certainly I always recommend buyers get a home inspection during the purchase process that can help estimate the age and the function of those utilities as well. I hope this virtual tour has been helpful for you to consider this home as an option, but if it really is a true option for you, you gotta schedule an in-person appointment. So give me a call to set up that personal tour for you. And if you have any additional comments or questions, make sure you leave a comment on this video, and I will actively reach out to make sure that I answer any questions that you have.